Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I'm going to do a good old-fashioned Mask Monday, which I haven't done in a really long time. I've got a dermal milk collagen essence mask here that I'm going to put on my face, and we're going to do some unboxing. I've got my book of the month and a Macy's beauty box here that we are going to unbox while I do my mask. If you're interested in seeing what I got in those two boxes, then hang tight, because when I come back I'm going to be all masked up and we are going to do that thing. Okay, it's me here in the raw, no wigs today, no makeup, just doing a mask. Okay, all right, I will be right back. Okay, we have got this dermal mask on. It says Skin Confidence with Dermal makes you beautiful and healthy. This is good for moisturizing, firming, and nutrition, whatever that means. Nutrition. I'm sure this is a Korean skin mask. I get them from Amazon. Yes, you can get them on Amazon. And I'm here. This is going up on Monday, but this is a Sunday morning for me. I'm just taking it easy today. Gonna do a nice easy video. No makeup today. And yeah, so this is just going to be a take it easy day. Gonna give my skin some rest, but I have some boxes that I can be opening. So let's get into that. First off, we have the Book of the Month Club. This is a monthly subscription that I do where I get one book, where I get to choose one book out of a selection of about 5 or 6 books that they have for me. Sorry about the shaky table. I usually pick the murder mystery book, thriller book. They didn't really have one this month. They had more of this thriller book, I guess. I don't know how to describe it. They haven't really had a mystery book in the last couple of months. They have this, refer friends for free books and socks. I did end up getting my mom to sign up for them, so I might have extra books to read soon. So, because she did pick a different book, she did use my link. I'll see about putting my link down in the description box if you are interested, but I haven't heard anything back from them since she signed up, so I don't know how that really works. But she got her new book in. It is different from mine, but my book this month is called The Helsinki Affair by Anna Pitoniak. I guess you say you always get a bookmark every month. This one says you want to keep going. I am already working on my next 10 books for my next book review. I am on book number 4 or 5, I think. So we got that going. So let me read to you what this book is about. I've already forgotten. This says it's the case of Amanda's lifetime, but solving it may require her to betray another spy who just so happens to be her father. Spying is the family business. Amanda Cole is a brilliant young CIA officer following in the footsteps of her father, Charlie Cole, who was a spy during the Cold War. It takes grit to succeed in this male-dominated world, but one hot summer day, when a Russian defector walks into her post, Amanda is given the ultimate chance to prove herself. The defector warns of the imminent assassination of a U.S. senator. Though Amanda takes the warning seriously, her superiors don't. 24 hours later, the senator is dead, and the assassination is just the beginning. corporate blackmail, covert manipulation, corporate oligarchs, the Kremlin has found a new way to wage war against America. Teaming up with Kath Frost, a fearless and legendary spy, Amanda races from Rome to London, from St. Petersburg to Helsinki, unraveling the international conspiracy. But as she gets closer and closer to the truth, a central question haunts her. Why was her father's name written down in the senator's notes? What does Charlie Cole really know about the Kremlin plot? The Helsinki Affair is a riveting, globe-trotting spy thriller, perfect for fans of John Le Carre and Daniel Silver. This book introduces Petoniak as a singular new talent in the world of spy fiction. Which spy fiction is not really my thing, but I don't know. I might just enjoy this book. We shall see. So, I'm going to put that on my to read. Actually, it's already on my to read list. I've already got it down. I think I have 5 books on my to read list right now. I just need another 5 to make up my list of 10 for my next book review. So, let me know if you're into spy thrillers. If that sounds good to you, let me know. Let me know just what you think. Okay, let's get into the Macy's beauty box for this month. Okay, looks like everything usually comes in this pink and wrapped up in this pink paper, but it's all out here in the open right now. Okay, it looks like we have got a box takeover. This is from Bumble and Bumble. Anyway, the Macy's beauty box is usually a bunch of samples, kind of like Ipsy. It is usually they take out about 24 or so a month out of my bank account. So usually that is the case. That usually get a $5 off coupon to use in Macy's stores. $5 off your next $20 beauty purchase. There's also a code you can use if you're using it online. And did I say it's a Bumble and Bumble takeover? Which I am not into hair products, really. I usually wear wigs most of the time, but let's see what we got here. I do like leave-in conditioners. This is the BB Bumble and Bumble Heat Shield Thermal Protection Mist. Spray protector, okay. Repairs damage and protects against heat. I don't use heat tools, so I'll probably be putting this in a upcoming giveaway, so we shall see about that. Then we have this right here is the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil Heat UV, another Heat and UV Protective Primer. And yeah, let's see what they say on the back. Let me get my glasses out. I'm sure I look really funny with this mask and my glasses on. Okay, this thermal protection mist says, it just says how to use it. Okay, spray onto dried hair and heat style. Okay. And then this invisible oil says spray on damp or dry hair, comb through and style. This would be a nice oil if it was more than just for dry. I mean, for heat protection. So, and then is this a dry shampoo? Okay, I could probably use this today. This is for thickening, though I could definitely use that. Bumble and Bumble Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray creates instant volume and holds airy texture all day. Shake well, spray through dry hair where you want, lift, hold, and airy texture. So we have that. I would spray these things, but I don't know if I'm keeping them or not. This is really cool, though, that they're doing Bumble and Bumble. There's lots of neat things in here. Then we have the Bumble. I keep saying Bumble. It's all Bumble and Bumble, okay. The Bond Building Repair Treatment strengthens hair and honey bond building complex. Now, I could probably use this Color safe. Use weekly. After shampoo, apply from roots to ends. Leave for 5 minutes. Rinse. Okay, I could probably use this. Well, yeah, that is full to the top. Smells nice. I could definitely use that. And then, okay, these are the conditioners and shampoos. I wish they were in little bottles or something, but you get 2 of them. These are the Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. So, I don't know if they meant to send me 2, but they did. After cleansing with Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. Really? This comes first? It's a primer. Okay, so this is a primer. Smooth into hair from roots to ends and leave in for a minute or 2. Rinse thoroughly. And then use the... Okay, first you use the shampoo. Okay, I'm reading these backwards. First you use the shampoo. Oh, no, forget what I said about this. In fact, I should delete this out entirely. Anyway, this is called the Invisible Oil Shampoo. This is the Invisible Oil Primer. You use this. The Invisible Oil is just a whole line of stuff. Okay, use the shampoo, then use the conditioner, and then you damp or dry your hair, and then you put this on. Okay, see, I don't know anything about hair products. I just have really thin, straight hair. I don't do anything with it. I don't even use a hairdryer or a straight iron or a curling iron anymore. I used to a lot. That's probably why I have problems with it now, but I don't do anything to it. I just wash it, put conditioner on it, put another conditioner on it after I get out of the shower, and then brush that through, and then I let it air dry. That's all. And I don't even go to the hairdresser anymore. I just let my dad cut my hair. So, that being said, the last thing, they usually give you one thing that isn't, well, I don't know how to say it, but I don't know. Somebody called it their free gift. I don't know. You pay for all of this, so I don't know what you call it, but it's usually not makeup or not the hair thing or not the skincare thing, but it is a little cone. And I don't know. I should probably use something like this more often. You know, I'll probably keep this. I had some that I got through, what you call it? The American Influencer Bundle from that one haircare. You know, they gave you that bundle of combs, but they kept breaking off on me. And, you know, this is a nice plastic one. The other ones were bamboo. That's what they were. But they kept breaking on me because my hair is so prone to snarls and stuff like that. So I kept trying to run it through my hair and then it would break. So I need something that's really, really rough and tough. So I should keep this one. So anyway, that is everything that came in the Macy's Beauty Box. It was a takeover and that was really nice stuff. I just not really into hair stuff. That's all. And I'm sure a lot of people are. And that's a really nice brand because I used to use this brand quite a bit. I like their little salt spray that you put in your hair to give it texture. I used to love using that a lot. So anyway, let me go and take off this mask, put on some moisturizer, and I will be right back. Okay, well, let me know if you get Book of the Month Club or if you get the Macy's Beauty Box. What are you reading lately? If you like to read, And what you think of everything, just let me know in the comments down below. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and let me know if you want me to bring back Mask Mondays, because I can surely do that. But I just stopped doing them because they weren't getting a lot of interaction or views, so just let me know. And then please share it with your friends if you think they would enjoy it. But thank you so much for watching, whether you are a returning viewer, whether you are a casual viewer, or whether this is your very first time watching one of my videos. Thank you so much for picking this video to watch. If you like what you see and you want to see some more, I do lots of makeup material, so please consider hitting that subscribe button, hitting that notification bell, setting it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So I hope you're all having a wonderful, fantastic Monday, that you're gonna have a great week this week. But if you're having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you. I'm sending you all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video soon. Just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.